Turmeric is a flowering plant, Curcuma longa, of the ginger family, Zingiberaceae, the rhizomes of which are used in cooking. What is turmeric good for? Turmeric, and especially its most active compound, curcumin, have many scientifically proven health benefits, such as the potential to improve heart health and prevent against Alzheimer's and cancer. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It may also help improve symptoms of depression and arthritis. How much turmeric should I take daily? The recommended turmeric dosage is between 150 to 250 milligrams of curcumin and 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams of turmeric root powder per day. This is a safe amount of turmeric to take daily and should be enough to yield significant health benefits to those who remain consistent with turmeric supplements. What is the best way to take turmeric? The most effective way to take turmeric is with a liquid, such as in liquid shot form or even blended within a drink or smoothie. Is turmeric good for the liver? It improves liver function. The antioxidant effect of turmeric appears to be so powerful that it may stop your liver from being damaged by toxins. This could be good news for people who take strong drugs for diabetes or other health conditions that might hurt their liver with long-term use. Is turmeric a good vitamin to take? Turmeric is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and other antioxidants that reduce the risk of serious health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. In addition, it's an excellent source of manganese, iron,